I'm really gonna miss riding with you.
I'm gonna miss riding with you, too.
Get ready. He let me help him dig down here when I was a kid. Isn't this cool?
Forever.
He's never let anyone down.
Qué ruidero, de veras, qué música tan horrible. Esa mamá lo oyera. ¿A ti te gusta esa música?
I could get used to it. I hope she's having a good time.
You never let me in the tunnels.
If you really want to go in, I'll take you on a guided tour.
No, thank you. Too dirty.
It is that.
This is a great place for a party, baby.
Not right now, okay? I have a lot on my mind.
I understand, right? Do you draw that?
Yeah, I drew that actually when I was 10 years old.
That's a masterpiece.
Oh.
Who's that?
I gotta take this. Giselle?
Girl, can you hear me? The reception is not so good.
No, yeah, I hear you. Tell me everything.
Gabrielle,
Yeah?
what are you doing down here? All of your friends have left.
They made a big mess, so I'm just cleaning up.
So how did it go?
Everyone had a good time. They kept asking me why my uncle built these tunnels.
What'd you say?
I said that you like digging and you're a little crazy.
That's fair enough.
I need to talk to you about something. And I just want you to have an open mind about it. I need to go to Mexico.
Why would you want to do that?
Because I found my father. My friend Giselle, who lives there, well, she used to live here. Do you remember her?
Mm-hmm.
I asked her for a favor, and she found him. He lives in a town near hers. Uncle John, I have to do this. I need to hear it from him. I need to understand why he would just do that.
Because he's not a good man.
Can't be that simple.
It is.
Uncle John, I've heard the stories. I know you've been through a lot, but my world is a lot different from yours.
No, it's not. It's worse.
No, it's not. People don't just act bad for no reason.
There's no reason for a man to throw his family away. He's lucky he has one.
Why are you getting so mad?
Because you don't know how bad it is. I know how black a man's heart can be. There's nothing good out there, Gabrielle.
Well, maybe he's changed.
Men like that don't change. It only gets worse.
You changed.
I haven't changed. I'm just trying to keep a lid on it every day.
Uncle John, I need you to trust me. I need you to know that I'm gonna make good decisions.